Hello Keychron, this is Joel Lapidus. I'm going to show you the issue with macros on 1.0.3. So you can see below the engine we've got the keyboard monitor. I'll now create a macro that's simple, new, record. I'm pressing 1, 2, 3 as you can see below. Stop. That's custom 1. Let's just call this 1, 2, 3. Let's assign that to the key 3 middle button. 1, 2, 3. Now I'll click the button, and as you can see below in the keyboard monitor, 1, 2, 3 is getting clicked. Now let's do what's not working for me, which is a macro for Control Tab, new, start recording. Control Tab, you can see below that I press that. Problem 1, as you can see, is the engine seems only to capture the liftoff of Tab, never it going down. Let's go now and program that to button 3. We just left that as custom 2. I'm now pressing custom 2, pressing key 3, the mouse scroll wheel, and as you can see below, nothing is happening.